Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Here we're going to look at some teaching strategies to improve reading fluency in students. First off, the teacher may select a specific reading passage and have the students reread the same passage several times. Each time the words will become more familiar. Next is the phonics approach, which helps early readers understand how the letters are linked to certain sounds, which form letter-sound correspondence. Some students have difficulties maintaining their place as they read along. Encourage students to use a ruler as they read and move across the page. One way to get students engaged and to want to read is by providing choice in their reading assignment. Let them read something that they find interesting. Educators may pre-teach vocabulary found in the reading text. If students are familiar with the words and have an understanding of the vocabulary, they'll have a better chance of reading it fluently. Visual impairments and eyesight problems may be the cause of reading fluency problems. In that case, using enlarged word for the reading is another strategy that has been proven useful. Teachers that are looking to improve fluency must continually drill sight words. The more sight words that a child has to master, the quicker they'll be able to read. Some fonts are clear, legible, and easy to understand, while other fonts are unreadable. Teachers should always use clear and recognizable fonts. Audiobooks are an excellent resource for struggling readers. Audiobooks in particular allow students to hear explicit sounds of letters and patterns as they read, further encoding the information. When teachers read together with their students, not only does it help build fluency, it also helps build relationships. On to the next strategy, which is to partner the students together and have them take turns reading. Children may benefit from hearing a different voice from the teacher. Reader theater is a fun and somewhat popular reading fluency teaching strategy. Students are required to, quote, perform by reading grade-level scripts of plays, stories, etc. Students also need to be assessed for reading fluency. Reading specialists will consistently record the time of completion and misread words in their assessment for proficiency. Nowadays, when a student uses a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document, they'll be able to utilize the spell check, which will help them improve spelling and enhance sight words. Choral reading occurs when a group of students in a classroom begin to read out loud the same material at the same time. Children enjoy choral reading. Next up is echo reading. The student echoes what is read by the teacher. So first the teacher reads the text out loud to the class. Then the student follows up reading the same piece of text. Sentence fluency flashcards are a resource that students can use on their own or with a teacher. Flashcards are a proven method of memorization. And lastly, one of the best things a student can do to develop rhythm when reading is to establish their own pace. Let students know that they don't have to be the fastest. The best pace is one where they feel comfortable. Anyway, right now I just want to say thank you for your time. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please hit that like button, share this video, and check the description for links to resources as well. Have a nice day.